Step into Corinne's fashion world. We can make a difference because our world is your world. So live your dreams and become a part of Corinne's fashion world.
Get excited, everybody. So I'm back. I'm back with another stitch to show you another stitch. And this one is called a lace cluster stitch, which I'm going to be using V stitches and half double cluster stitch. So it originally looked like this. It looks like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Thanks for all the new people on my channel. Thanks for watching all my stitch videos and my makeup videos, my beauty videos. I appreciate it. And I love this dress that I just created. Alrighty, so let's just jump right into it. Get excited, everybody. So I did a chain of 24. So we're going to do, it's going to be 6 plus 2 and then 3 chains. So 6 plus 2 plus 3 chains, okay? So what we're going to do after we chain 3 more, we're going to do double crochet. Just want to make sure I got this right. Double crochet into the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to double crochet here and we're going to create a V stitch. Like so. So after we do the first double crochet, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. Then we're going to go right back into that chain and do another double crochet. And that's the V stitch. I love doing lacy stitches and lace garments. To me, it looks more elegant on women. Okay. So after you create your V stitch, which you're going to use double crochets, you're going to skip 1, 2, skip this one, 1, 2, and you're going to the third one, and you're going to do another half double crochet cluster. Okay, so chain over 1, pull through, chain over 1. So you're going to do this 4 times. Pull through, that's 2, chain over 1 again, pull 2 through, that's 3, and one more time, 4. Get excited, everybody. So she looks like that, and you're gonna, so you're gonna pull through everything like that, and then you're gonna chain 1. Get excited. Alrighty, so I'm gonna show you one more time. So you're gonna chain, skip 2, you're gonna do a double crochet, you're gonna create a V stitch, going like that. I love this green, I love green. Okay, after you do the double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, do one more double crochet for the V stitch, like so. Get excited, everybody. I love green. Ooh, that green is so pretty. Alrighty, so let's do the half double crochet cluster. So skip 1, 2. Now this, you're only going to do this for your foundation chain, okay? And I'll show you what to do in the second row. So pull up 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody get excited. And pull through. Pull all the way through. And you chain up 1. Get excited, everybody. So you do that to the end of your row. And I'll be right back. Okay, folks? So once you get to the end of your row, your last stitch, you're just going to do a double crochet. Double crochet, folks. Get excited. Like so. Okay. Going to chain up 2, 3. Chain up 3. Turn your work. So now in this now we're going to the second row. So that's the first row we just finished. And now we're going into the second row. So after you chain up 3, so your first V stitch, which is right here, you're going to do a half double crochet cluster. Okay. So you go right into the V. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull all the way through, chain 1. Get excited, everybody. Look how pretty that is. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go into the next cluster, and we're going to do a V we're going to do a V-stitch. So we're going to double crochet right into this space right here, right there. Do a double crochet, 1, then chain up 2, 1, 2, going right back in that space, do another double crochet, and that's your V-stitch. Alrighty, folks. Ooh, so pretty. Get excited. Alrighty, so moving along. So the next one is a V-stitch. So in the V-stitch, you're going to do a half double crochet cluster. So chain over 1, pull through up, chain over 1, pull through up, chain over 1, pull through up, and chain over one more time, pull through 1. So that's 4, okay? And you just pull right through, like so. Get excited, everybody. And you want to do that all the way across. I'm going to just do one more for you guys. So we're going to do a V-stitch right in this space right here. Right in this cluster, right before the cluster. So double crochet right inside. 1 double crochet. Chain up 2. 1, 2. Double crochet again. Double crochet one more time. Okay. Then in the V-stitch, we'll do the cluster. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get excited. It looks like that. Okay. So I'm just going to show you guys all the way to the end of the row. So in the cluster above, what we're going to do, a V-stitch, double crochet, 1, 2, double crochet again right in that stitch, like so. Now in this V-stitch right here, we're going to do the cluster, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull all the way through and chain. Okay, so now that we're to the end of the row, we're going to go right here. We're not going to go here. We're going to go here. And we're going to do a double crochet. Right there. Like so. Then you're going to chain up 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Get excited, everybody. Look how pretty that is. So the dress that I did, you guys, oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Alrighty, so this is basically a 1 row repeat. So you're going to continue the same thing on the 3rd row. I'm just going to show you one more time. So you're going to chain up 3. And this time is a cluster that you're going to start off with. So what you're going to do in the cluster, you're going to do what? A V-stitch. So double crochet, 1, 2, chain up 2. Like so. Double crochet right back into that space. 2. Now the next stitch you're going to do a half double crochet cluster, okay? So you're going to do that in the V-stitch, all right? So you're always going to do a cluster in the V-stitch. So chain over 1, pull through. You're going to do that 4 times. That's 2, 3, 4. Everybody get excited. So you're going to pull through everything. Pull through everything. So I need you guys to hit the thumbs up button if you like this. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Hit the ring-a-ding-ding button so you know when my videos are uploaded. Get excited. Alrighty, folks. So I'm going to do one more V-stitch. So V-stitch is a double crochet, chain 2. V-stitch one more time. Get excited, everybody. So hope you guys got something out of this video. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love this. Oh, I love this. I love this. And then you just do a cluster in the V-stitch. Alrighty, folks. So that's easy to remember. It's 2, 3, 4. So it's basically just a 1 row repeat. So it's very easy. Don't forget to subscribe, rate. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, hit the notification button, and tell me how you like this. Look how pretty that lacy stitch is. Get excited. I want you guys to stay tuned for my next video. Get excited, everybody, and have a wonderful, wonderful day, everybody. Wow, look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. Get excited. Later, folks. Later, later, later. Believe something good is going to happen for you. No matter what things look like, guess what? We win. Get excited, everybody. Later, later, later.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.